Here are all the pieces you have been given to put together your automatic touch dispenser. A screwdriver is included. You have 4 base screws to put the base onto the dispenser, 2 screws for the drip tray, and 2 longer screws to put the dispenser onto the stand. Screw the long screws at the top of the stand only halfway in. Then use the key provided to pop open your dispenser. Place the dispenser over the screws into the holes provided and slide into place. Secure the dispenser onto the stand by tightening the screws. Next is your drip tray. Align the holes on the stand, insert your screws and tighten. Next is the base of your dispenser. Screw in the 2 front holes, flip the dispenser, and then secure the 2 back holes. Your stand is now complete. It's ready for you to insert the batteries and your hand sanitizer and keep all those nasty germs away.